Video editing is a really tough thing to do on PCs these days. You got 4K, 8K, 60 frames, etc. And raw bit rate, it's totally nuts. What we did was build a computer here that could handle 8K so that 4K would be a breeze. You know, we do a lot of editing for our shows here, dashboard, monovlog, etc. We wanted to build the best that we could at the time. At the time, it was Threadripper. We used a 24-core, 48-thread CPU, 128 gigs of RAM, and multiple SSDs, PCIe Gen 4. And of course, we had to make it look beautiful, so we threw in some monolith red coolant and a bunch of hard tubing as well. The goal was to make a system that'll last 5 years, but we all know how that goes. Anyways, here's the build. Check it out.